Hi everyone, Tim Bird here from SolidWorks. Today I'm going to talk to you about geometric tolerancing in SolidWorks 2022. This has been updated greatly since earlier versions, so I'm just going to go through that a little bit today. So this is a geometric tolerance that was created in an earlier version of SolidWorks, and if we double click it in 2022, it asks us if we'd like to convert it to the latest type of geometric tolerance version. So we click OK to that. You can see that gives us these little plus arrows. We'll go into those in a little bit. But for now, I'm going to delete that geometric tolerance. And we're going to add another one from up here. Now, historically, this would have caused a little dialog box to pop up. But now we don't get a dialog box. We get a little empty box here. So we double click on that. And you can see our little pluses have come up. And this is how we can start to build our geometric tolerance. So this is going to be a positioning tolerance. I have a tolerance of 0.1, and it's a circular tolerance zone. Datum A, I want 2 datums on this, so we'll add another datum. B, and we'll click done. So not much different to creating a geometric tolerance normally, but now with these little plus arrows or plus symbols, we can add to it really easily. So say for example we want a text box on here to say 2 positions. There we go. You can add that, and that's added on, and it's all associated to the geometric dimension.